Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Healthy Foodies Kitchen. In this video I am going to share with you a very delicious vegetable and chicken noodles recipe. So before starting with the recipe, request you all to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you can get the new video updates. Now let's get started. Take 500 grams of boneless chicken breast or thigh and cut into julienne. Marinate the chicken with 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix well, cover and keep it in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. I have already boiled my noodles. Now I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, or you can use any refined oil or olive oil. Mix and keep aside. I have here sliced onions, carrots, capsicum, cabbage, and then I have chopped garlic and ginger. So I am using oyster sauce for this recipe. If you don't have, use dark soya sauce. So 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Mix well, add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, add a little bit of water and again mix well and keep it aside. To prepare the noodles, heat oil in a pan and cook the chicken that was marinated until it is done properly. Once done, remove from the pan. Now in the same pan, add some more oil. Then add the chopped ginger and garlic. Saute them until they are slightly brown. Then add the onions. Again saute the onions until they are slightly brown. And then add all the other vegetables one by one. If you are new to my channel, do go ahead and watch my other recipe videos. I have a lot of snack recipes and also healthy baking recipes. Add salt to taste, or around 1 teaspoon. Cook again for some time, then add the prepared chicken. Do not overcook the vegetables. Just cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Then add the prepared sauce. Add the noodles and mix everything well. We are almost done here. Just cook for 3 to 4 minutes more and you are ready to go. Serve hot. Do give me a thumbs up if you like the recipe and share with your family and friends. See you in my